in southern New England. We've refined and worked on this garden a number of days over a period of a couple of months. Rejuvenating a middle-aged garden. That was thinning the boxwood, removing some dead. These cedar trees, a beautiful grove of native eastern cedars, had a fair amount of dieback, which is a normal attrition of growth. Now that was edited. These boxwood are in the process of being renovated. Some have been removed that were overgrown. The two swamp maples have been selectively pruned to frame the house. And so the key view would really be as you're entering and you're looking up. It creates a beautiful soft frame of the house. And the second story dormers now have light. Those are all obscured from sunlight from the vigorous growth of the maple. Maples grow quite quickly, so those overhead branches over the course of a year or two will start to hang down. That was all part of the calculation. But bring in lots of sunlight while still enjoying the features of these native shade trees.